What's up everybody, welcome to another CES 2026 video. Today I'm going to share my experience at Dreamy's booth. Yeah, this is the only booth that I have visited twice in 2 days. Well, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh, another thing, we are doing a giveaway. What you have to do to join the giveaway is you have to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. So watch through the video and let us know which of the Dreamy product do you prefer the most. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. Walking through the Dreame CES booth felt like stepping into a live lab where everything was powered on and moving. The first area that caught attention was floor automation. X60 Max Ultra Complete keeps a slim 3.13-inch profile. It slides under low furniture with ease. Omniside system tracks the floor ahead. Over 280 object types get avoided automatically. You know what? I'm truly intrigued to do a review of this X60 Max Ultra Complete. Yeah, the name is a very long and mouthful one, and it seems like one of the most interesting robot vacuum cleaners. What do you think about this? Well, if X60 Max Ultra Complete is one of the most interesting robot vacuum cleaners, then what about the next one? Yeah, next is CyberX. It brought a bold vibe to the robot section. It is the ideal cleaning companion for multi-level homes, featuring a quad-track stair-climbing system and advanced 3D TOF sensing. It effortlessly identifies and navigates common types of staircases with precision. Aqua10 Ultra Roller is another robot that drew serious attention at the booth with its precision. Retractable legs climb 3.14-inch thresholds with Terrian adaptive control. Triple wheel agile lift and triple up systems handle many cleaning solutions, helping the robot reach more areas and cover floors with reliable depth. It really was fun to record all these machines in action. After exploring Dreamy's robot cleaners, the focus now moves to handheld solutions, where Aero Pro represents how the brand is extending its cleaning ecosystem beyond autonomous devices. Oh yeah, I have even personally tested this device. Okay, Aero Pro feels light in the hand and easy to move around. It picks up dust, crumbs and hair without tangling. Strong suction keeps floor clear, turning everyday cleaning into a smooth and effortless routine. Next up is H15 Pro CarpetFlex. Yeah, we have reviewed this one. And okay, this is the unit that is always ready for both carpet and floor cleaning. I've left a link to the review of this product here. Go ahead, check that review. But before that, let's complete this video. Cause cordless stick vacuum Z30 is a very exciting product. Yeah, Z30 is a cordless handheld vacuum cleaner in Dreamy's lineup. Positioned as a high-power stick vacuum focused on strong suction, advanced filtration, and smart detection for daily floor and pet fur cleaning. I've tried to push it hard, and every time it has paused. Okay, from floor cleaning to fresh air quality checks. Now let's explore Dreamy's air purifiers. At Dreame CES 2026 booth inside the Las Vegas Convention Center, many air purifiers were on display for visitors. Among them, two models drew my attention: AirPursue PM20 Pro purifier and Furcatch Air Purifier FP10. PM20 Pro uses an H14 3-in-1 filter, a clear HD screen, and covers a huge 226 square meter uniform purification area. FP10 adds self-cleaning moving rollers, 5-stage filtration, and removes 99.99% of pet hair through airflow. That's really an amazing thing. Well, from indoor cleaning to outdoor maintenance, the spotlight now shifts to the Z2 Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner. Okay, Z2 Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner is Dreamy's first robot to handle step cleaning. Driven by 4 high-efficiency pumps and dual propulsion jets that create strong suction, it glides along pool walls, lifting debris without manual control, making pool care feel closer to robot vacuuming. Or maybe even more. What do you think? Don't forget to let us know in the comments section. In Dreamy's endless lineup, now let's go from the pool to the lawnmower. Using advanced 4-wheel drive hub motors, the A3 All-Wheel Drive Pro series climbs slopes up to 38.7 degrees and clears obstacles as high as 2.17 inches, delivering strong results across even the most demanding lawns. Okay, finally, something for my girlfriend. Well, let's talk about the personal care lineup. The staff showed me the Miracle Pro, an AI-powered high-speed hairdryer with essential care. Dreamy has also produced a lot of other hairdryers for personal care, which I believe my girlfriend and most of my female viewers will love to use. Okay, jokes apart, it's time to wrap up the video. After spending 2 days at this booth, I think it proves Dreamy has grown from a cleaning brand into a full technology ecosystem for life at home and beyond. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.